In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money online as a freelancer. Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. As you all know, on this channel my goal is to create content on how you can earn money as a crypto trader, as an affiliate marketer, and anything that resonates with online income. So if any of this resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, on this website you can perform some freelance job or some little tasks and earn money for yourself. Okay, so the link of this website is available in the description box. You can see where the word works, so you can perform some freelancing job here and earn money online. If you go through it, you see that there is a lot of things to read about on this website. Okay, so the link to register is available in the description button. When you click on the link, make sure you click on sign up. So guys, this website, this company is available worldwide. Okay, so there is no issues of registration and restriction. So you type your email, your password, confirm your email, your nickname. Here you select your countries. Available in Nigeria, is available everywhere. So if you want to register, if you want to work on this website, you click on I am a worker. If you are an employee, if you want to post job, if you want to recruit people, you click on I am an employer. Okay, so that is how it works. You click on the agreement, you sign up, they will send a notification to your email, you confirm, and you will log into your account. So I've already registered. I just have to log into my account right now. So guys, I want you to watch this video till the end so that you not miss any steps on how to make money on this platform. You can see right here that I have earned $3.7 so far on this platform. Okay, now we have a lot of job categories, job levels and categories. So if you click on job level, you will see that we have starter, we have advanced, and we have expert. Okay, so you can click on anyone to apply. We have categories, we have sign up, we have telegram, a lot of jobs is available here. Okay, you can see if you scroll up, you can see that we have a lot of jobs here. Subcategories, payments. If you want job within $0 to $2, you can adjust this. Okay, so I'm trying to do quick so that this video will not long, but I want you to watch it to the end so that you will not miss any step. Location, you can see in Africa, Asia. We have a lot of jobs on this platform across the globe. You can all see it right here. Okay, so you just click on any one, or you should just leave it blank and perform the job. Now you can see this job, out of 56, 46 have done it. This one out of 27, we have just one people. And look at the payouts, 1.2. Look at this, $1. Look at this, 1.3. So we have a lot of jobs here that you can do. If you scroll down, you can see it. There's a lot of jobs that you can do on this website. Okay, now let us go and apply for one job and see how to execute it. Okay, now let's go for, maybe you should go for this first one that is saying, this is the title, offer comment on our video. So they want you to comment on their video. If you can comment on their video successfully, you'll be given $1.2. Now let us click on the work and see. Okay guys, so this is the content, the job description. So out of 56, 47 has done it successfully. Time to rate 1 day. Job ID category, survey offers up to 10 questions. Okay, so if you want to perform this job, this is the job description. That is what is expected from workers. Go to this website, enter watch video button, enter watch, tap watch now, enter watch video, tap complete woman verification to unlock video. You must complete woman verification to open the video. Watch the video for 5 seconds and comment on the video. So these are what they are expecting you to do on the on this for this job. Okay, now this is the notes. Make sure you read this for more understanding, so don't rush things, just make sure you read everything. Then at the end of the day, required proof that tax was finished. These are the things that is required for them to know that you actually do this work by yourself. Now write the video title. Do you, they put star, they want you to complete this. Screenshot that shows your comment on video. Okay, screenshot the place you comment. Then 3, screenshot that show woman verification completed. So when you are doing the woman verification, you need to screenshot it. So you need to read all these things before you execute the job. Now this is where you are going to do, this is the submission of the proofs. Number 1, you need to write the title of the video completely, then the first screenshot, and this is the third screenshot. So if you have any comments, you can type. If you have any comments, you can type. Then you click on submit proof. So don't forget that this is where you will need to read. You need to read everything. This is what they are expecting you to do. This 1 to 4. This is what they are expecting you to do. So when you are done, you screenshot the necessary things and you click on submit proof. So within 1 day, they will proofread your work and you will be rewarded. So this is where you will see your earning. You see your earning at the top right here. You see your earning right here. So you can withdraw your money at any time. So guys, this is how to apply for jobs on this platform. The same thing applicable to all these ones. Just make sure you read what expected to do, that is job description. Make sure you read it very well and you will be able to perform the job, submit your proofs and submit. Okay, now you have a lot of jobs, you can just go through it to perform jobs. And if you want to refer your friends to this platform, you can. The platform is free actually. Click on the menu bar, you will see, you can see gigs. We have gigs, we have micro jobs, we have survey, we have a lot of things. So you can just go through it for more understanding. Share and earn. Click on this place to copy your referral links and a lot of things. So you can also switch from employee to worker. So we have a lot of things here that you can do. So guys, I want you to keep trying this website to make money. The website link will be available in the description box. Alright guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.